Sweating is an unfortunate side effect of physical activity and anxiety. But imagine if every time you perspired, blood came out of your pores. This story gives a whole new meaning to the phrase blood, sweat, and tears. What is good? Welcome to Informoverload. I'm Charlotte. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to IO for all your trending news. Doctors and scientists are baffled by a 21-year-old Italian woman who sweats blood. She doesn't have cuts or lesions or anything like that. Her skin is completely normal. She simply sweats blood when she engages in physical activity and when she's sleeping. This patient had been bleeding from her face and palms for 3 years before consulting a doctor. Obviously, this condition would be extremely difficult to deal with. This patient isolated herself socially, became depressed, and developed panic disorder. And what's worse is, when she was under emotional stress, she would sweat blood even more. So it's like this vicious cycle of just blood sweat. Doctors initially treated her for depression and anxiety, and they came to the conclusion that she has a condition called hematohidrosis. It's extremely rare, and doctors to this day have no idea what causes it. There are many doctors and scientists who don't believe in the condition because it hasn't been confirmed scientifically. I mean, of course it exists. In fact, blood sweat was even mentioned as far back as the 3rd century, as well as in the Middle Ages. The thing about blood sweat is it has religious context, which makes it harder to take seriously among the scientific community. It's associated with religious relics like the Veil of Veronica, which is a famous cloth with Jesus' face printed on it. There have been 42 documented cases of blood sweat since the 1880s, but many medical professionals and scientists doubt the condition exists at all. Nevertheless, this report has been featured in the recent issue of the Canadian Medical Association Journal. So how do you treat it? Well, unfortunately for this patient, you can't stop the bleeding completely. Italian scientists treated her with a beta blocker called propranolol, which doesn't stop the blood, for the most part. Alrighty friends, it's that fun part of the video where I'm gonna respond to some comments. Jazz Martin said, I just subscribed a few days ago and I already love this channel. Thanks for subscribing and welcome to the Potato Fam. Abe said, I don't understand the potato joke. What's the meaning behind it? I don't really understand it either, to be honest, but it's still funny. I think it's funny in and of itself. Just Weird Kid said, what did the tomato say to the potato? Let's catch up later. Good one. Okay kids, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching the whole thing. Over here's a link to our Patreon page, and if you want to continue watching IO, check out that playlist over there, Shocking News Stories. That's it for me. Later taters.